through Alex's fight that there was a huge disconnect between families who were willing to try something new, like we were, innovative therapy, give your child a chance at being cured with something new, an experimental therapy, and the availability of those. So since the beginning, even when Alex was alive, we started asking doctors at different hospitals, what can't you get funding for? Like, what's the problem? Why are kids waiting for new therapies? And they said, well, we have some new therapies and we know there are kids who need them, but there's no funding for the infrastructure. No one's paying for clinical trials for children with cancer for the most part. So we started funding the infrastructure, like as we would say, the non-sexy stuff, like you need a data manager and you need a nurse coordinator to get the families onto the trials. And since then, over the past 20 plus years, we've been continuing to look at the gap. So now we're to the point where we've raised over $350 million. We are the largest currently independent funder of pediatric cancer research outside the government. So meaning we're not connected to one institution. We fund all across the US and Canada, by the way. And we have a competitive grant review process. So we let researchers know that we are interested in funding everything from new scientists. We want to bring new people into the field to make sure that we can get the best and the brightest studying pediatric cancer. We want to fund innovative early science. So an experienced researcher has a new idea for something they think might help kids with cancer. We give them seed funding for a couple of years to prove whether to try it out, basically to do their experiments. And then we fund everything through to clinical trials.